Hey guys, sorry about the noise of the furnace. I would shut it off, but I gotta be quiet here. I heard the family grumbling about, I gotta be fair, not grumbling, but discussing the noisy bathroom exhaust fan. And, you know what that means, man. Time to get the hell out of here. Now the boy saw the missing rig. Hey Dad, where's your rig? Yeah, it died, son. Oh no. What are you gonna do? Yeah, I gotta take it to Yaesu. I'm heading out now. Oh, cool. Wow, same day service, huh? Yeah, I don't know about that. Hell, I don't even know what day I'm gonna get there. It's in Oregon. Hang on. Shh. No, I'm not a heartless dad. I got the boy dinner for later. Hang on. Ooh, okay. Yeah. Follow me. Hang on. This is the way we do POTA. Do POTA. Oh yes, do POTA. This is the way. Hang on a second. Oh, this is the way you do POTA. Do POTA. Do POTA. Hang on. Oh, this is the way you do POTA. Huh? What? Come on. When you ham like blows. Oh, this is the way you drink coffee. Drink coffee. Drink coffee. Hang on. Shh. Shh. Oh, this is the way we do POTA. 40 meters. The 20-meter stick. Shh. Wobbly pops. Na. Do POTA like blows off. This is the way we sneak the hell out of my house. Oh yeah. Hang on. Wobbly pops. No. Ha ha. POTA porn. No. It was the dislike on my POTA collusion video that moved me to song today. I'll give you something to dislike. Because I just don't care. I'm not going to wave my hands in the air like I just don't care, but I'll fly my hamstick in the air like I just don't care. And I'll sing to you. This is the way you do POTA. Do POTA. Do POTA. This is the way you do POTA. When you live like Blozo. Yeah. Thanks for watching the stupidity. I hope you're well. I wish you a fine day. And thanks for watching. 73 from Blozo. Da 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 da. Santa Claus is coming. Man, there's something wrong with me, man. This road was black ice. Last time I was here, glare ice. Frickin' terrible ice. And I kept sliding toward Murphy Lake. And I'm sure it's a fine lake to swim, boat, and fish in. But, Blozo sink. Yeah. Is that a beaver dam? That's not a dam. Lake access for all you boaters. And, I'm not gonna do that to you anymore, man. Oh, man. Oh, man. I love this place more than I love Monica. And both are extremely wet. Whoops. There goes the channel. And so, Rudy. That's Rudy. Da, 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 da. Boat access. A familiar puddle. And I'm going to let this record as I drive up to my favorite little spot. That always tricks me. I think it's my spot entrance, but it's just a dead-end little, it's a dead-end little, and my happy place is just ahead. I know this sucks. Hey, Yaesu. Yaesu. I see you. Here we go, boys and girls. La-di-da-di-da-di-da. I'm going to... I almost... Every single time I've parked basically this way, straight in and out. I'm not going to today. I'm going to try something different. Yeah, and avoid the muck. But I want to point my truck this way. And I usually point, I'm usually looking due north and south. I'm on 20 meters today. I'm going to start on 20 meters. And I want to point due west, due east and west. On the way here, I worked a guy just north of Sacramento, California. And man, he was 15 dB over 9. And he gave me an honest, he said I was an S7. So, yeah, we'll see what happens. When I get out of my car, I like to take a quick look-see around. I stepped out today and saw this and thought, what? So, POTA ops must clean their site before leaving. I love this place. It's a game land area, hunting allowed. Within the bounds of the law, of course. It's quiet. It's beautiful. And You don't have idiot clowns singing out here. So let's do the right thing. Let's pay our penance for a beautiful day in our beautiful world. There we go. Let's see what we can do. 73. Well, that was an interesting experience. Working 20 meters is harder than you might think when doing POTA, at least with my setup. Though where my where my thumb is there, kinda, everything above it was on 20 meters, and pretty much all I could work was some couple into Texas. But God, man, Arizona, Washington State, Oregon, and a fellow up in Northwest Territory. But the QRM was intense, just intense. It was monstrous. And not from broadcasters on 20 meters, but from other hams. I moved around a couple times and just decided to bail. And then I went to 40 meters and called CQ a few times. Now, I don't know if Fred spotted me on 40 or not. If you did, Fred, it worked. I had a nice little short rag chew with a nice man, WA2UBK, Shell in New Jersey. And we had a little rag chew. And then when we got done, I got pounced on. So somebody, there goes my flash, wah, wah, as the nurse lady says. So, Fred, you know what you are. I don't feel comfortable calling you that on a YouTube video. You concocted the name for yourself, mister. You little POTA pimp, you. 73, guys. Oh boy, I'm almost home, and I'm glad to be almost home. I have a little bit of a problem with homesickness, and when it starts getting dark out, I start getting kind of homesick. Not all the time, but most of the time. And so that's how I do my POTA outings. It might have started pretty silly. Home sweet home. Oh, and about to destroy my little riding trick. My vids are a little bit unusual, maybe, but hopefully either entertaining or a warning to those about to retire. Take care, all of you. 73.